Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. In this Diwali, I would like to give you a very special gift for all of my students who are unable to afford my course. By the way, my course was already in discounted price. Its actual price is 15,000 rupees, but I was giving to my students only at rupees 5,000 rupees. But in this Diwali, there is a huge discount. You can easily claim this offer at this Diwali sale. The course is currently available only at rupees 2499 and I believe this is the best opportunity for you. If you want to enroll the course, check the link given in the description section below, or you can directly visit my website www.networkingplus.in. This is a limited time offer. This is only a Diwali offer. If you want to learn Cisco CCNA from the very basics, from the very beginning, this is the best opportunity for you. This course is available in two different languages, English and Hindi. Pay for one course, you will get another course absolutely free. अगर आपको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता, आप हिंदी में CCNA सीखना चाहते हैं, देन डेफिनेटली आप कोर्स को ज्वाइन कीजिए. इंग्लिश वीडियो भी मिलेगी प्लस हिंदी वीडियो भी आपको मिल जाएगा सेम प्राइस पे. आपको एक्स्ट्रा कोई भी अमाउंट देने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो इफ यू रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन द कोर्स, यू कैन डायरेक्टली चेक द लिंक गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन बिलो, or you can visit my website networkingplus.in. Wishing you all once again a very happy Diwali. Thanks for watching.